Hey guys, Diamond from the Oppenheimer Ranch Project, and we're going to do a real quick bee inspection. Trying to get some smoke up here. These guys are kind of ornery, so we're going to check that out. First thing we're going to do is get some syrup on here. Okay, and as I'm filling the syrup, this hive was one of the better hives. It's the one where the queen survived that came with the package. And so we're going to go in there and make sure we're going to go in here and make sure she's making eggs. So we'll just give them a little more smoke. Take a look at that. A lot of bees. Lots of bees. Good sign, lots of bees. So I'm just going to introduce some smoke into the hive, calm them down using a twisting motion. I'm going to look in here. And this hive is full. Absolutely full of bees. All of the frames. And it's filled with honey too. So I need to get some more. I need to put another super on this baby. And I need to do it ASAP. So I'm going to go grab that. And we'll come right back and I'll show you how to do that. Alright, we're back, and it's hotter than a witch's tit out here. I had to grab some gloves and a hive tool, and also another brood box. This hive is way too full. When you see that many bees, you better get another brood box on there. But before we do that, real quick, we're going to check to see how the queen is producing, which is apparently amazing. So, let me just grab this and pick this frame right here and see what's going on in this hive. We got nice cap brood. Oh, there's a full frame of capped in there. We got honey right up top here. We got some syrup. Go ahead and get some of that. Oh my God. Okay, so the queen is looking great. Super proficient. We're going to put this other brood box on and we're going to pack this baby out. And before I do that, I want to make sure these hives, these frames are nice and tight and adjusted, and this one too. And then we got all these bees from up top on both sides, which are going to tell everybody about the new brood box. So that was the first hive, doing amazing. We have a great queen in here, going to be producing lots of honey. I'm about to switch this over to a hive top feeder, get rid of the front feeder, and give these bees a little bit more room to go in and out. That'll be tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Get some bees.